How to add account number in Binance. So basically, if you would like to add account number in Binance, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch your Binance app, and this is the type of interface that you will see. Once you launch your Binance app, you want to make sure to tap on the profile icon from the very top left of the screen. Once you tap on the profile icon from the top left, which means that if you want to add account number, I'm assuming it's a bank account number, right? So from there, from the top right, you can see settings icon, which is the gear icon. Tap on it. Then from there, you want to scroll down to the payment section where it says payment methods. So tap on it. And there you can see again P2P payment method. Tap on it again. And at the bottom, you can select add a payment method option. Now you can simply search for the bank. The list of banks that will show up here will depend upon the country that you have chosen and the number of banks that is available for you. So you can simply go ahead and then basically make sure to enter whatever else it is that you prefer. And once you've done that, you can simply make sure to enter your name, your account number, and other details to link it and add your account number to Binance. This way you can add account number in Binance. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you in the next video.